Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to download Spotify music to phone, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. Look for the green Spotify icon on your home screen or in your app list, then tap it once to open. If Spotify asks you to sign in, use your usual account details so you see your own playlists and saved music. Once Spotify is open, find the album or playlist you want to download. You can tap search at the bottom to look up an artist, a specific album name, or a playlist title. As results appear, scroll slowly and tap the exact album or playlist you want, so you do not accidentally open a similar one by another user. Now that you have found it, open that album or playlist. You do this by tapping anywhere on its name or cover art, usually shown as a square image. The screen changes to show the track list, with the big cover image at the top and the songs listed underneath. Next up, tap the download button. On most phones, this is a small arrow pointing down, often near the top of the album or playlist page. Tap it once and it should turn a different color or start showing a spinning circle, which means the download has begun. A common mistake is tapping multiple times, which can toggle it off again, so just tap once and wait. After that, wait for the download to finish. You will see the download icon or a small progress indicator move as the songs are saved to your phone. This can take from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how many tracks there are and how fast your connection is. While this happens, try not to close the app completely, because pausing the app may slow or pause the download. At this point, when the download icon shows as completed, the music is available for offline listening. You will usually see the arrow turn solid, and small green indicators appear next to each track in the list. That means those songs are stored on your phone and they will play even if your signal drops or Wi-Fi disconnects. Now there is an important detail about individual songs. Spotify does not download single songs on their own from the main song page. To save one specific track, you first add it to a playlist, then download that playlist using the same download button you just used. This way you can bundle several favorite songs into one playlist and keep them all available offline together. Once your music is downloaded, you can play it without an internet connection. If you go into an area with no Wi-Fi or very weak mobile signal, just open Spotify and play the downloaded album or playlist as usual. You will notice the tracks start quickly and do not buffer because they are already stored on your device in an encrypted form that other apps cannot read. From there, you might want to allow downloads using mobile data instead of only Wi-Fi. By default, Spotify prefers Wi-Fi, so you do not use up your data plan without realizing it. If you often download music while you are out, you can change that behavior inside the app settings. Next, tap your profile picture in Spotify, then go to Settings and Privacy. Your profile picture usually sits at the top left or top right corner of the main screen. After tapping it, look for the Settings and Privacy option in the list and tap that to open the detailed settings page, where many controls for data and offline mode live in one place. After that, look for Data Saving and Offline, then tap it. This section groups everything about how much data Spotify uses and how it handles downloads. When you open it, you will see switches and options related to streaming quality, offline mode, and download behavior. Many people miss this area and look in the wrong menus, so take a moment to confirm the name before you tap. With that ready, find the option called Download using Cellular and turn it on. This is usually a small switch you can tap once, changing it from off to on. When it is on, Spotify is allowed to use your mobile data connection to download albums and playlists, not just Wi-Fi. If you change your mind later, you can come back to this same switch and tap it again to turn it off. Before we finish, be aware that downloading music can use a significant amount of mobile data. Large playlists or many albums may quickly use up a monthly data allowance, especially if you have a limited plan. If you are unsure how much data you have, it is safer to keep the setting off and only download when you are connected to a trusted Wi-Fi network. You have now downloaded Spotify music to your phone and adjusted how it uses data for those downloads. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.